Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach artichoke dip with fresh artichokes. Start with selecting the best artichokes. You'll want ones that feel heavy and have tightly closed leaves. Next, trim the stem and the top third of the artichoke. After cooking, you'll easily remove the fuzzy choke. Steaming or boiling them until tender, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, is the perfect way to prepare them for our delicious dip. Now, let's create the rich and creamy base for our dip. In a large bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream. This trio creates a wonderfully smooth texture. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, along with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt for that perfect savory foundation. With our creamy base ready, it's time for the stars of the show. Take 2 cups of cooked and well-drained spinach, squeezing out any excess water. Then, roughly chop your prepared fresh artichoke hearts. Gently fold both the spinach and artichokes into the creamy cheese mixture. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined, ensuring every bite of our dip is bursting with flavor. Almost there. Spoon your delicious spinach artichoke mixture into an oven-safe dish. For that irresistible golden crust, sprinkle 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the top. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until bubbly and lightly browned. Serve this warm, gooey dip with your favorite dippers like tortilla chips or crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.